Welcome to our channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 best face beauty massagers that can elevate your skincare routine. If you're looking for tools that combine technology with skincare, you're in the right place. We'll dive into the pros and cons of each product to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Peicon HY48 Face Beauty Massager. The Peicon HY48 Face Beauty Massager offers a multifaceted approach to skincare with its array of modes and light therapy options. Designed to cater to various skin needs, this device aims to enhance your beauty routine with advanced technology. Here's a detailed review of its features, benefits, and potential drawbacks. Pros. Versatile functionality. The Peicon HY48 offers multiple modes and light therapies, addressing various skin concerns such as aging, cleansing, and hydration. This versatility makes it a comprehensive skincare tool. Improved skin appearance. The combination of EMS care and light therapies can contribute to smoother, firmer, and more youthful skin by promoting collagen production and improving texture. Enhanced absorption. The warm moisturizing mode enhances the effectiveness of skincare products by improving their absorption into the skin. Targeted treatments. The specific light therapies address different skin issues, such as reducing wrinkles, balancing skin tone, and tightening pores, providing tailored treatment for various skin needs. Convenient skincare. The device offers a professional-grade skincare experience at home, making it convenient and cost-effective compared to salon treatments. Cons. Battery life and charging. The effectiveness of the device may be impacted by battery life and charging requirements. Users should be aware of maintenance and charging needs. The Peicon HY48 Face Beauty Massager offers a sophisticated approach to skincare with its range of modes and light therapies. Its versatility, ability to improve skin appearance, and enhance product absorption make it a valuable addition to a skincare routine. However, potential users should consider the learning curve, initial cost, and the device's limitations for severe skin issues. Overall, the Peicon HY48 presents a promising option for those seeking an advanced, at-home skincare solution. Coming in at number 4, the Neonaca Face Beauty Massager. The Neonaca Face Beauty Massager offers an advanced approach to skincare, combining various treatments to enhance your facial care routine. With features like EMS, cleaning modes, and warm heating, this device aims to deliver multiple benefits for the skin. Here's a detailed review of its pros and cons. Pros. EMS technology uses low current massage to relax muscles, enhance skin activity, and improve the absorption of skincare products. Aims to reduce edema, lift and firm the skin, and diminish wrinkles. Cleaning mode designed to deeply cleanse pores, shrink them, and reduce spots and acne. It targets dull skin and promotes skin regeneration. Warm heating provides a heating massage that improves circulation, elasticity, and restores skin vitality. The 45-day GC heating mode is specifically designed to enhance the absorption of skincare products, tighten the skin, and boost collagen growth. Lifting effect warm massage helps increase skin elasticity, stretch wrinkles, and accelerate metabolism, resulting in plumper and smoother skin. Battery and power. The device operates at 2.5 W power with a 750 mAh battery, which takes approximately 2 hours to charge. It uses USB charging for convenience. Cons. Hour and charging time. With a 2.5 W power output and a 2-hour charging time, the device may not be as powerful or quick to recharge compared to some other skincare tools. The Neonaca Face Beauty Massager is a versatile tool that combines multiple skincare treatments into one device. Its use of EMS technology, heating modes, and cleaning functions can significantly improve skin appearance and health. While it offers many benefits, potential users should consider the battery life, learning curve, and initial cost. Overall, it presents a comprehensive solution for those looking to enhance their skincare routine with an advanced, multifunctional device. At number 3, we have the Handaiyan Face Beauty Massager. The Handaiyan Face Beauty Massager is designed to offer a range of skincare benefits through a combination of vibration technology and user-friendly features. This multifunctional beauty instrument promises to enhance facial cleansing, nutrient absorption, and skin tightening. Here's a detailed look at its pros and cons. Pros. Multifunctionality combines several skincare functions into one device, including cleansing, nutrient introduction, and skin tightening, which can simplify your beauty routine. Enhanced nutrient absorption. The vibration technology helps in improving the penetration of masks and essences, potentially increasing their effectiveness. Ease of use. The high-end screen display makes it easy to navigate different functions and settings, which is especially beneficial for users new to beauty devices. Portable and lightweight. Made from ABS, the device is both durable and lightweight, making it convenient for travel and everyday use. Rechargeable battery USB charging is convenient and allows for easy powering of the device. Cons. Its material durability. While ABS is durable, it might not offer the same premium feel or longevity as some other materials used in high-end beauty tools. The Handaiyan Face Beauty Massager presents a versatile and user-friendly option for those looking to enhance their skincare routine. Its multifunctional features, including deep cleansing, nutrient absorption, and skin tightening, offer significant benefits. However, potential users should consider its battery capacity, power output, and material durability. Overall, it provides a good balance of functionality and ease of use, making it a valuable addition to many skincare regimens. Next up at number 2 is the Cammuo Face Beauty Massager. The Cammuo Face Beauty Massager is a versatile skincare device designed to address various aspects of facial and neck care. Combining multiple technologies, it aims to lift, firm, and rejuvenate the skin while reducing wrinkles and fine lines. Here's an in-depth look at its pros and cons. Pros. Versatility. The device provides a comprehensive skincare solution by combining multiple functions, including lifting, firming, deep cleaning, and enhancing nutrient absorption. Advanced technology integrates various technologies like sonic vibration, color light rejuvenation, and ion therapy, which can offer noticeable improvements in skin texture and appearance. Adjustable settings. The 4 modes and 3 intensity levels allow users to tailor the treatment to their specific needs, enhancing the overall effectiveness. Ergonomic design. The Dolphin Bionic design ensures that the device comfortably fits the neck curve, making it easy to use and ensuring thorough treatment. Improved nutrient delivery. The use of positive and negative ions enhances the absorption of skincare products, potentially doubling the effectiveness of neck creams and masks. Cons. Heat settings. The constant temperature hot compress at 45 degrees might be too warm for some users, potentially causing discomfort during use. The Cammuo Face Beauty Massager stands out as a multifunctional skincare device with advanced features designed to address a range of skin concerns. Its ability to lift, firm, and rejuvenate the skin, combined with enhanced nutrient absorption and customizable settings, makes it a promising addition to many skincare routines. However, potential users should consider the complexity of the device, its price, and the need for regular maintenance. Overall, it offers a comprehensive solution for those seeking an advanced and effective skincare tool. Finally, at number 1, we have the Hailicare 106C39 Face Beauty Massager. The Hailicare 106C39 Face Beauty Massager is a multifunctional skincare device designed to enhance facial and neck care through a combination of advanced technologies. Its features aim to rejuvenate the skin, improve elasticity, and reduce visible signs of aging. Here's a comprehensive review of its pros and cons. Pros. Versatility. The 3-in-1 functionality covers multiple areas: neck, face, and eyes, making it a versatile addition to any skincare routine. This multi-purpose design provides comprehensive care in a single device. Customizable treatments. With 4 modes and 3 intensity levels, users can tailor their skincare experience to their specific needs, enhancing the device's effectiveness. Advanced technology. The combination of color light therapy, sonic vibration, ion import, and 45-day sheet therapy offers a well-rounded approach to skin rejuvenation. These features work together to improve skin texture, firmness, and elasticity. Ergonomic design. The Dolphin Bionic design ensures that the device fits comfortably around the neck and face, allowing for an effective and enjoyable massage experience. Portability. Its compact and lightweight nature makes it convenient for travel, allowing users to maintain their skincare regimen while away from home. Cons. Heat sensitivity. The constant temperature setting at 45 degrees C might be too warm for some users, potentially causing discomfort during use. Users with sensitive skin should proceed with caution. The Hailicare 106C39 Face Beauty Massager offers a comprehensive solution for those seeking to improve their skincare routine with advanced features. Its 3-in-1 functionality, customizable settings, and combination of technologies make it a versatile and effective tool for skin rejuvenation. However, potential users should consider the complexity of the device, its price, and the need for regular maintenance. Overall, it provides a sophisticated option for enhancing skin health and appearance.